Welcome again to my die filer build. So this project's taking rather longer than expected, but that's normal. And it's become rather more complex than I expected, but that's the way that I normally do it. Anyway, in today's episode we're going to look at making the vertical supports for the table. So enjoy. So I've got some vertical supports added to the die filer. Okay, so these will adjust vertically. And these have some rotating adjustments so that you can adjust the table relative to the file in sort of this direction. So the table goes on. So the idea now is to make this rotate this way, with the rotation axis being the center of the table, or the top surface of the table. So I'm thinking 5 degrees backwards just to get some adjustment, but maybe 15 degrees forwards. We need to make some brackets to attach to this table so we can get a rotational movement. So the idea is to make some semicircular brackets with a circular tongue and groove. So one bracket will be fixed here and the other one will rotate on the bracket like so. So in that respect I've made up 2 cast iron plates to make those brackets with a circular tongue and groove. So obviously these need to be cut in half to make up the brackets. But before that we've got some more machining to do. So the first thing to do is to put in a slot for this to locate into before we cut this plate in half. Okay, so we can either use the vertical mill. That means taking the vise off. Can't be bothered with that. Could use a shaper, that's an idea. Or we could use the horizontal mill. I haven't done any horizontal milling for a while. I think we'll do that. Put it in low gear. That's 9 thou per rev. See how it goes. It'll go faster than that though. B is 18 thou per rev and C is 36 thou per rev. That may be pushing it a bit. I think we'll end up on B. Okay, we'll put on 160 thou. I think we can up that a bit. That's better. Okay, it's a 1/4 inch cutter, so we'll step over 200 thou. Beautiful finish, lovely and smooth. It's like for fit. Beautiful. Very little, for virtually no play in there at all. That's perfect. Really enjoyed doing that. Much nicer than using the vertical mill for a job like this. Well, I think that deserves a cup of tea. And anyway, it's time to water the tomato plants. So that's what it looks like. Looking pretty good. So all we need to do now is put a couple of screws in to hold those together, trim off the excess material from these vertical arms. Okay, I've just ground those protruding surfaces back on the linisher. So we're just going to file up.